Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create board button automations in Trello. So for us to be able to begin, just log in onto your Trello account first, and once you're already in here, just choose in the workspace and your board that you want to work on. So as you can see, since we're currently already in here, you should be able to find the specific icon onto the upper right corner of the screen. So this is actually the automation icon. So if you click onto that, you should be able to see the buttons in here to create custom buttons on the back of every card or at the top of the board. So simply click onto that. And to create a button, so there are two options. We have card buttons and board buttons. So click onto board buttons in here. And here are some of the examples to make multiple board actions with a single button. So let's try to create a button in here. Click onto that. You could actually choose in an icon for your button. So there are a lot of options to choose from in here. So for example, we'll choose this one. So you could add in a button name. So let's try test for that. And let's add in an action. So we have different actions in here like adding a card, moving it, list, sort, and many more. So let's try to move the cards in here, move all the cards in the list. So let's choose the list in here, which is to do into the in progress. So let's click onto that and click onto this plus icon to add this, and let's click onto save. So it should go ahead and add your test button in here onto the upper part corner of the screen. So let's move back in here. And once you try to click onto that automation in here, it will go ahead and run, and you'll just need to wait for this one to be done. As you can see, all of the cards that we have on to do is move in progress since we've clicked onto the board automation earlier. And that is just basically it, how to create board button automations in Trello. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.